You've heard of Suno AI, but what if I told you there's a brand new free AI music generator that sounds better, gives you more control, and even works with your own lyrics? Today, I'm going to show you ElevenLabs music, step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why I think it destroys Suno AI in 2025. Oh, and stick around, because I'm going to test it with real trending music styles you actually know, no weird random prompts, so you can instantly imagine how you'd use it. Let's jump right in. The link to ElevenLabs music is in the description. Click on it and sign up for a free account. After signing up, you get 10,000 free credits. Click music in the menu, and you're ready to go. Right away, you'll notice there's just one smart prompt box, no complicated modes. This means you can type naturally and let the AI handle the magic. Let's start with something we all know, a smooth 90s R&B slow jam. I'm going to type 90s R&B slow jam with soulful vocals and smooth bass lines. I'll set the duration to 1 minute, choose just one variation for now, and hit generate.
Yeah. Late night I catch your silhouette in candlelight. Your skin glowing while the city sleeps outside. Every breath you take draws me closer to your flame. No rush, let time slow down, I just wanna feel your name. Heartbeat sinking to the rhythm of your sighs. Words unspoken, baby, written in your eyes.
Wow, the vocals are warm, the melody is polished, and it feels like something straight off a throwback playlist. Already, ElevenLabs has done something Suno AI often struggles with, authentic human-like emotion in the performance. But here's where it gets even better, you can edit any part of the song instantly. Using the same R&B track, I'm going to change the first line. I'll just type, "Summer nights in the city lights, love was shining bright and regenerate." Boom.
Summer nights in the city lights, love was shining bright. Your skin glowing while the city sleeps outside.
Only that section changes while the rest of the track stays intact. Every change is saved as a separate version, so if you ever prefer an older take, you can download it. Try that in Suno, you can't. Let's take it a step further. I've got some lyrics I wrote for a pop dance track, think Dua Lipa style. First describe the music genre, then I paste the lyrics, after hit generate.
Tonight we're burning bright under neon skies. Electric souls collide, no need for disguise. Your hands on me, the world just fades away. Lost in the rhythm along the night and days. Heart be racing with the strobe light flash. Every touch ignites a flame, we're meant to match. Feel the pulse, we're unstoppable tonight. We keep on
This is the part that really separates ElevenLabs. It understands phrasing and rhythm so well that it doesn't sound robotic. And it's not just songs, this thing is a sound design powerhouse. Want an instrumental only? Simply type, funky upbeat disco groove with electric guitar riffs, slap bass, retro synth stabs, and tight drum beat. Instrumental only, 112 BPM, key of C major, no vocals. Need only vocals. Start by typing, a cappella, then describe your music style, for example, gospel choir performance, rich harmonies, soulful dynamic delivery, no instruments, 70 BPM, key of G major.
I was wandering through shadows, lost in my despair. You called my name with mercy, lifted every care. Your light broke through the darkness, saying hope into my heart. Now I stand within your presence, a brand new work of art. Leader, hallelujah, we lift your name on high. Choir, hallelujah, our voices testify. You reign in love, unending grace we find. Choir, you reign in love, your mercy still defines. Glory to the King, forever we will sing. Glory to the...
But here's the crazy part, ElevenLabs can blend ambient environments into your music. For a lo-fi vibe, I am typing, lo-fi hip-hop chill beat with soft vinyl crackle, gentle rain sounds, warm electric piano chords, and deep relaxed bass line, 75 BPM, key of D minor. Or for cinematic depth, I'll try, cinematic orchestral score with emotional strings, light piano, distant ocean wave ambience, and soft brass swells, 60 BPM, key of E minor. Want your track in another language? I am selecting my original RB track prompt and simply say, convert it to Spanish with natural Latin pronunciation.
Esta noche ardemos brillando bajo cielos de neón, almas eléctricas chocan, no hay que disimular. Tus manos en mí, el mundo se desvanece. Dirígeme el ritmo, la noche vamos a conquistar. El core se late con el electrocopio, cada arroz se enciende la llama que juntos vamos a encajar. Si te cruzo esta noche somos imparables. Seguimos callando.
It didn't just translate, it re-sang with a natural accent and perfect flow. And here's my favorite part, tempo key control. Unlike Suno, where it's hit or miss, ElevenLabs nails your requested tempo and key every time. I test it with modern reggaeton beat with deep bass, crisp hi-hats, punchy kick drum, tropical synth leads, 98 BPM, key of G minor, energetic and danceable production.
Siente el ritmo, fuego en la pista, la noche encendió. Tus caderas llaman, vamos sin control, luces y sudor, vivan del corazón. Con este perreo rompo toda la quitación. Baila conmigo, mueve sin temor.
It's spot on, but it's still in Spanish since we had converted the previous song to Spanish. I will convert it back to English.
Feel the rhythm. Fire on the floor, the night is lit. Your hips are calling, no holding back a bit. Legs and sweat, heart beating command. With this heat, we're breaking every wind and motor.
Great, this is perfect for producers who want precision without extra editing. Let's brainstorm some ways you can actually use this in real life. YouTube intros, upbeat synthwave intro with bright arpeggiated synths, driving bass, and energetic drums, perfect for a YouTube channel opener, 115 BPM, key of D major. TikTok trend remix, jazz swing version of a modern pop hit, upright bass, brass section, brushed drums, playful piano chords, 110 BPM, key of C major.
City lights are dancing, heartbeats in the night, skies are neon shade.
Story narration BG music, epic fantasy orchestral score with deep percussion, swelling strings, ethereal choir, and dramatic brass, 65 BPM, key of D minor. Tell a story. A deep, warm voice narrating the tale of an ancient guardian, protector of the forest, as sunbeams pierce through the mist, revealing the moss-covered giant standing watch over the land.
In the hushed heart of the ancient wood, a guardian stirs through veils of morning, mist and dappled light. He rises, moss-clad sentinel of earthen time, root and branch entwined with every secret breath. He stands watch where shadows meet the dawn.
Creating music ads. Country western style jingle with acoustic guitar, banjo, harmonica, upbeat drums, and male vocals singing about Supreme Sizzle Burgers, 95 BPM, key of A major.
Roll on in, you know the place where smoky flames meet smiling face. Supreme Sizzle Burgers, grilled just right, juicy bites that feel like home tonight.
Here's the deal, the free plan is for personal use only, no monetization. If you want to monetize on YouTube or TikTok, the starter plan at $5 per month works. If you want streaming rights on Spotify, Apple Music, etc., you'll need the creator plan. Compared to hiring a musician or buying stock music licenses, this is insanely cheap for what it does. In 2025, I think ElevenLabs Music is the best AI music generator you can get, and yes, I believe it beats Suno in both flexibility and realism. Now, I want to hear from you. Which feature do you think gives it the edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell me what style you try first. The link is in the description. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more AI tools, and I'll see you in the next video.